This is Brian, and today we are going to be drawing 3 princess dresses with shoes and a crown. I'm sure one of these dresses, if not all of them, you could use on any character that you're drawing at any time. Maybe you need some dresses to go with your new princesses that you've drawn with me previously. We've had accessories and makeup and a whole bunch of other stuff that we've drawn before. So let's draw it this time again and add to your collection. As we're drawing this, I have some Disney princess facts. They're really cool facts too. I did this on the last Disney princess video that we had about, accessories and stuff like that. I hope you enjoyed that, and today we're gonna do some more. So, let's get down to the diggity. Did you know that Cinderella, in the original movie, loses her shoe not once, but 3 times in the original film? First, she loses her shoe when delivering the breakfast trays. Then, she loses her glass slipper while she's running away from the ball. And finally, her shoe falls off on her wedding day. What? She needs to get a new pair of shoes that fits better, I think. What do you think? This first dress is looking really good. I like it. Now, you don't have to stick with the colors that I use. You can put any colors you want on here because they're dresses and they're princess dresses, and anything colorful, anything bright is gonna look really good. Did you know that Cinderella may have been derived from an ancient Greek tale? In the tale, a woman named Rhodopis loses her sandal in a public bath. An eagle that swoops it up and drops it on the lap of a pharaoh, who is so intrigued by the event, he starts a countrywide search for its owner. After the pharaoh finally locates Rhodopis, the two get married. You know, that sounds about right. That sounds like the story of Cinderella. And a lot of these stories that they have, especially the Disney stories, they have roots somewhere else, you know what I mean? Like Pocahontas, obviously, and just a million other ones. You never know the real story. The decision to give Ariel red hair wasn't made at random. Did you know that actually Ariel was deliberately given red hair to differentiate her character from Madison in Splash, a live-action mermaid film that came out a few years prior? Makes sense. The various scenes where Ariel sits on a rock were all inspired by a real-life sculpture. The statue is called The Little Mermaid and is located at a harbor front in Copenhagen, Denmark. So that's kind of cool. I mean, that's kind of an iconic part of that Disney princess movie, isn't it? So how's your dresses coming along? We've done 2 1/4 maybe? How about 3/4? We could say that by now. I think this last one's probably my favorite. Definitely do some cool colors on this one. The shoes, you can intertwine them and put them from one dress to the other if you want, and the crown, whichever is your favorite. My favorite crown is the middle crown. You can put that with whatever dress you like as well, and find your favorite one and make your own setup. We're gonna start coloring everything in now, and like I said 1,000 times, you could do whatever colors you want, okay? Here is another Disney fact about a different princess. Snow White is the youngest princess of them all. I said this one on the last princess video we did. Snow White is 14 years old, while the other Disney princesses range from 15 to 19. The original drawings of Snow White were created by the same artist behind Betty Boop. If you don't know who Betty Boop is an old cartoon character, black and white, and very famous. Initially, the animators drew Snow White with big red lips, long lashes, and a shorter dress. However, Walt Disney wanted Snow White to look more wholesome. To be fair, she was 14 years old, and opted for more subdued features and a peasant-style dress. All right, so here's one about Pocahontas. Are you ready? It'll be our last fact. Pocahontas is one of only 2 Disney princesses to have tattoos. Pocahontas has a red band around her right arm, and Kida from Atlantis, the Lost Empire, has tattoos under her left eye. She's that blondish, like that really white platinum hair on Atlantis, which is another one of my favorite movies. I love that cartoon. Well, so that is the end of this Disney Princess accessorizing video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you've gotten something from it. Make sure you practice it, and you can soon draw it from memory. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment as necessary. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Make sure you look out for all of the new releases. Bye-bye.